Every Hemi hits a critical milestone at 100,000 miles. What you do next determines if your engine makes it to 300,000 or dies at 150,000. A Ram mechanic told me, quote, 100,000 is where I see two types of owners. Smart ones who do this service, and ones who come back at 120,000 with $8,000 in damage. End quote. Today I'm revealing the service every Hemi needs at 100,000 miles. If you're between 95 and 110,000, screenshot this. At 100,000 miles, your spark plugs and ignition coils are done. Ram calls them lifetime parts. That's marketing, not engineering. What actually happens? Plugs develop gaps that are too wide. Ignition becomes weak. Misfires start, even if you can't feel them. Those misfires stress your MDS system. The computer tries to compensate. Cylinder deactivation goes erratic, and that stress destroys your lifters and cam within 20,000 miles. Our mechanic sees this weekly. Quote, they skip the 100,000 service. Then at 120,000, they're replacing the entire valve train, all because of $250 in spark plugs. End quote. Here's the complete 100,000-mile service. Spark plugs, $96 for 8. Champion or NGK original spec. Ignition coils, $160 for 8 coils aftermarket, $320 for OEM. Replace all 8 coils even if only one failed. If one died, the other 7 are right behind it. PCV valve, $15. Takes 5 minutes. Prevents oil leaks that start after 100,000. Total cost DIY, $271. Shop installation, add $250 to $400. Compare that to skipping it. $6,000 to $10,000 in lifter and cam damage at 120,000 miles. Your action plan by mileage. 95,000 to 100,000. Schedule now. You're in the sweet spot. 100,000 to 110,000. Past due. Get it done this month. 110,000 plus. Danger zone. Inspect for lifter tick immediately. If you hear any ticking, do plugs, coils, and oil analysis. Now here's what I need from you. First, drop your current mileage in the comments. Second, done your 100,000 service? Tell us what you replaced. Third, if you're at 95,000 plus, schedule it this week. Don't gamble. Subscribe for the 150,000 service video next. You'll need it. 100,000 miles, $271. Do it right or pay $8,000 later. The choice is yours.